Hello students, welcome back to College Dunia Exam YouTube channel. If you are preparing for the NIMCET MCA entrance exam, this guide will help you through every important step from downloading your admit card to successfully reaching your exam center fully prepared. Let's make sure you don't miss any important detail before your exam date. So, first things first, what exactly is the NIMCET admit card? The NIMCET admit card is your official hall ticket for the examination. Without it, entry to the exam hall is generally not allowed. Candidates must download the admit card from the official NIMCET website, print it and carry it along with the valid photo ID proof. Now let's quickly note the important dates. The admit card download window is open from May 27 to June 6, 2026. Now let's see how to download the admit card step by step. Step 1. Visit the official website, which is nimcet.admissions.nic.in. Next, click on the NIMCET admit card or candidate login link. Enter your user ID or application number along with your password. Submit the details. Once your admit card appears on the screen, download it and take a printout immediately. And if you forget your password, don't panic. Use the forget password option to reset it through your registered email or mobile number. After downloading the admit card, don't just save it and move on. Carefully verify all important details. Check your name, photograph, roll number, exam center, reporting time and exam date properly. If you notice any mistake or discrepancy, contact the NIMCET help desk immediately. Do not wait until the exam day to fix errors. It's always safer to resolve issues early. Now let's talk about the must-carry checklist for your exam day. Number 1. Your printed admit card. It should be clearly printed on an A4 size paper with all text and barcodes visible. Number 2. An original photo ID proof such as Aadhaar card, passport or driving license. Here are some smart preparation tips before the exam. First, safeguard your admit card. Keep both digital and printed copies safe until the admission process is completely over. Second, scout your exam center in advance. If possible, visit the location a day before the exam or at least check the route properly to avoid delays. And finally, remember the golden rule: no admit card plus no photo ID means no exam. There are usually no exceptions to this rule, so be fully prepared before leaving home. Before exam day, make sure your portal access works, your credentials are ready, your admit card is printed in multiple copies, and your original photo ID proof is packed. All the very best for NIMCET 2026. Thank you. If you like this video, don't forget to press like, and if you have any queries, then comment them in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the College Dunia Exam YouTube channel.